putting forward the role of the Central Bank of Oman as a regulator of the banking sector, in addition to the importance of this sector in promoting and facilitating investment through financing, were the most prominent discussions that took place at the first Ramadan evening of Oman Chamber of Commerce and Industry for this year.
The main enabler, I would say, is the constant requirement and work and effort towards improvement of anything. The second one is technology, which will enable also financial inclusion. And inclusion will always include what we have talked about today is access to finance. And the availability of products from the sector to whether it's small and medium enterprises or whether it's large corporates or whether it's individuals.
This event comes to show the role of the financial sector in our national economy. Today we are listening to the Central Bank of Oman and the initiatives they are offering to our sector, and we are optimistic that our economy is growing with the new financial tools like fintech and new financial technology.
Emphasis was also placed on the challenges of the private sector in obtaining financing, as well as the plans, projects, and future directions to enhance the contribution of the banking sector to the growth of businesses.
Main challenges is the guarantees which to be obtained from the banking, which is more than where private sector can provide it to the banks. It's most of that it is a way of traditional way, assets or to be put into the banks, and less risk taken by the banks on this sector. I hope all the finance company or the banks can take better risk on this area, but also that link to the legal system, which allowed banks to act fast to get its right faster.
The challenges facing business owners in financing their investments were also discussed to develop joint solutions that serve the interests of both parties and ultimately the national economy. Through various financing schemes, banks are seen as significant contributors in improving quality of functioning of businesses and thus bolstering economic resilience. Saleh Khalfan Rahbi, Sultanate of Oman Television, Muscat.